Okay friends, this question was taken from the SCGS school, Primary 5, year 2019. The figure below is made up of two squares of length 4 and 7 cm. So what we can do right off the bat is to do some annotations. Okay, and take a pencil and mark out 7 cm for this particular square and 4 cm for the left side square, 4 cm, 4 cm, and this length right here, whatever we know, we try and mark it out. Okay, so 7 minus 4, that is 3 centimeter. Okay, so find the area of the shaded triangle. Okay, now to do this question, we need to make use of the squares and also some triangles as well. So one of the triangles we have is over here. Okay, another one over here and another one over here. Alright, so we have 3 triangles. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. If we take the area of both the squares minus these 3 triangles, we are able to find the area of the shaded portion. Okay, so the first thing that we can do is actually to find the area of both squares. Seven times 7, that's the bigger one, plus 4 times 4. So this will be 49 plus 16, which will be 65 square cm. Okay, and then from there we find the area of this big triangle here, unshaded triangle. So that will be half times base. The base will be 4 plus 7, right? That will be 11 cm. So half times 11 times 7. It's a paper 2 for primary 5. You can use calculator. 38.5. Okay, and then not forgetting the other 2 unshaded ones is on here. Half times 7 times 3. 10.5. And the final unshaded one we need is here. Okay, that will be half times 4 times 4. Half times 4 times 4. That will be 8 square cm. Okay, so we add up all these unshaded triangles, 38.5 plus 10.5 plus 8. $57. Okay, so one more step. We will take the 2 squares minus away the unshaded triangles to achieve our answer of 8 square centimeter.